Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is electrical magic box. Amazing electrical magic box with 4 color lamps: green, blue, red and yellow. 4 switches with 4 color caps: blue, green, yellow and red. In this position, green switch operate green light, blue switch operate blue light, red switch operate red light, and course green switch, yellow switch operate yellow lights. It's nothing special, it's absolutely normal here. Let's try something else. Remove 2 colors in any position. In this case, yellow lamp is controlled by yellow switch, blue lamp is controlled by blue switch, red lamp is controlled by red switch, and course green to green. Let's try something else. Put the color lamp in another position. In this case, red lamp is controlled by red switch, blue by blue switch, yellow by yellow switch, and green by green switch. It's amazing, still working. Let's try something else. Remove all the color caps. Mix it up. And first, yellow, red, sorry, blue, yellow, and green. It's in order, but now red to red, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, green, green. Let's try something another combination. Green, blue, yellow, red and yellow. In this case, red switch operate red lamp, blue switch blue lamp, yellow switch yellow lamp, and green switch green lamp. Now trying another combination. In this combination, red to red, blue to blue, yellow to yellow, green to green. Now trying something else. Another combination. Yellow, green, red and blue. Remove the color of this switch. In this order, yellow, green and red still working. This switch, no colors, no color, no caps and no operator. Now yellow, green, red still working. This switch, no color, no operate. Let's try something else. Remove the yellow color of this switch, and now green switch and red switch still operate. Now this switch and this switch, no colors, now operate. Now put the color caps back. In this case, yellow switch operate yellow lamp, green switch green lamp, red switch red lamp. In this switch, no color caps, no operate. Put the color back and yellow, green, red and blue working again. Now trying something else. Remove the green switch green color caps. In this case, yellow, red and blue still working, and red, this switch, no color caps, no operate. Now remove this color caps for yellow lamp. No colors, no operate. Remove the red color caps. No colors, no operate. Still blue, still working single. Now remove the colors of the last lamp and no operate, no operate, no operate, no operate. No colors, no operate. Now in this case, put the colors in order: green and blue. In this case, red to red lamp, blue to blue lamp, yellow to yellow lamp and green to green lamp. This is amazing electrical magic box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video if you like it. Thanks for watching.